Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram try again later error. So first you need to open up your Instagram, right, and see a try again later error. It's appear right here. It's a window. So guys, to stop that error, what I want you to do to stop using Instagram for a few hours and avoiding spamming comments, likes, and share, and that's to allow the restriction of your app to restricted. As I said, and after some time, go and check Instagram again. Alright. If you check the Instagram and that still happened to you, you just need to go to your phone settings and then go look for apps, this one, click on apps, and then go into manage apps, the second one, alright, and then look for Instagram on the search bar. Alright, then what I want you to do is to go into clear data on the bottom right side and then choose the clear cache. Alright, if you do all these steps and it's passed successfully, you just need to go back to your Instagram and check if that error still happened to you. If that still happened to you, you just need to go into your Play Store and then look for Instagram and update and look if there are any updates of the Instagram app. Alright, if you update your Instagram, that if you found that there are updated, so update your Instagram and open again your Instagram app, and if you saw that it still happened, you just need to disinstall and install the app again. If that still happened to you, you just need to go to your to go to this window and then switch your connection to your mobile data and then turn back your Wi-Fi on. If any of these solutions doesn't work with you, you just need to type a report for Instagram and you need to wait the support to reply to you and to fix your problem. Anyways guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.